Hey guys, so I just got my first monitor on the mail. I ordered it from Amazon and I'm super excited to open it. Yeah, so this is my first monitor. I was able to get it on sale for like $170 something on Amazon, but it went up to like $190 something with taxes and stuff. I'll leave the price here so you can see how much it actually costed. So let's open it up. This is a 24-inch, 144 hertz. I'm so excited and I hope that I really like it. Is this the monitor? This is the monitor right here. This is basically what comes in the box. I think this is the monitor at the bottom right there. And I think that's the stand and then more pieces that fell off from here. But the first thing I noticed when I grabbed this, I think it's the bottom of the stand. It feels metal, like good quality. Like I said, I've never had a monitor before, so I don't know what's like a good monitor and what is not. Ooh, so at the bottom, as you can see, it is red. Red is actually one of my least favorite colors, but it's not that noticeable. And yeah, it comes with a CD. It doesn't have like a pouch or anything, which is kind of weird. It comes with the display port and the power. Oh wow, this is heavy. This weighs quite a bit, guys. This is kind of heavy and kind of big. This was actually kind of one of the main reasons why I picked this one, because apparently this monitor can like twist and flip and move in a lot of different angles, and not all monitors do that. Okay, it's kind of stiff right now. I don't know how you're supposed to move it, but oh well. We'll figure that out later. So we have now moved to my desk where this monitor is gonna go. I'm planning on putting it over here in this corner. But before I take the screen out, I want to put this together. I think I just take these pieces and then twist these little knobs to set the stand up. So we're gonna unbox the monitor now. Ooh, this is how it looks. Super cute. I'm gonna try to hook it up to the stand right here. Hopefully it's not too hard. The back looks like that. Okay, so here I'm basically saying that the monitor looks really big in my room, although it's just 24 inches. The stand makes it take up a bunch of room. Although my room is small, I think my desk is pretty wide actually, so it still takes up a bunch of space if that's something you're concerned about. This is kind of big, not gonna lie. I'm kind of short, so the monitor is kind of like at eyesight level with me. This is how the back looks. Okay, so this is kind of how the monitor looks from the front and from the side, as you can see, and then it moves up and down very easily. I was surprised by how smooth and buttery this movement was, honestly. And it's actually kind of surprising how it manages to stay, since it's like so smooth to move up and down, if you understand. And then right here I'm showing you how you can also twist it. At first I was kind of scared of like messing with it because it kind of looks like a penguin right there. But I was kind of scared of twisting it because you have to add like a bit more pressure than you have to do when you're just pulling it up and down. But it is definitely possible, and it's just kind of scary at first, but it won't break the monitor. And then, so yeah, it kind of makes it really tall, and I kind of like this whole concept of being able to turn it around. And then I don't know if you can see right here, the computer looks kind of tilted. That's kind of how it was when I first connected it to the stand, and I was kind of scared because it wasn't level, but then I realized, oh wait, you can just twist the monitor. And then this is kind of how the monitor looks from the back. It has a little hook, I guess, to help with cable management and stuff, but as y'all saw in the video, I don't have any cable management right now. But yeah, and these are the ports that it comes with. I think it comes with a display port, 2 HDMIs, and honestly, I don't really know what the other ones are for. I think one is for the audio, and then one of them is to plug this like power cord in, and the other one, I don't really know, so yeah. So here I'm plugging in my laptop to the monitor, and as you can see, it takes a second for the screen to actually show up on the big monitor, and that still kind of happens right now, but you just gotta give it a minute and it'll work. Sometimes it does take like 2 seconds or something. So here I'm kind of showing you again how it twists, and you can kind of hear a little sound that it makes. Don't worry, it's not gonna like break it, but that's why I was kind of scared when I first twisted it. As you can hear right here, it sounds a bit scary. Okay guys, so here's the like monitor and everything set up already. I've used it for like the past 48 hours or something doing schoolwork, so that's why my desk is super messy. It's finals week, so give me a break. Also, the extension cord is pretty whack right now. I still need to like organize my desk. That's so bad, but I'll do that soon. For now, this is how it looks. This is just an unboxing. So here I just kind of wanted to show you how my laptop fits really nicely underneath my monitor when I pull the display up. So it's really nice to have two stacked displays right on top of each other. And then also I wanted to mention how so far one of my least favorite things about this monitor is just how bulky it can be. So here I'm gonna be measuring it, and I think it's actually 10 inches. It takes up 10 inches in width, so that's something that maybe you should take into account if this is a monitor that you are looking at. I will say I do like the benefits that it gives me, which is like being able to tilt it and move it on, because I have been using those features. But it is something that you should be aware of, that it does take quite a bit of room if you have a small desk. But then again, one of the good things of having this heavy stand is that it's really hard to move, which is nice, so that your monitor doesn't move around. It also has some red underneath, but you can barely see it, because at first I wanted to cover it up, but it's not that big of a deal, to be honest. You can barely even notice it. Okay, one last thing that I wanted to, I guess, kind of add is how I thought it was kind of funny whenever I was trying to purchase this monitor. It was like $176 or whatever the price I got it for like 1 hour, and then I would check again and the price would go up, and I would check like an hour later and the price would go back up, and then I would check like 2 hours later and the price would go back down. So there's something kind of sus going there. I don't know what they're doing, but they're changing the prices constantly. So maybe if you want to buy this monitor and you see the price that is pretty high, maybe you could wait it out a little bit and see if it drops, because that was how it happened with me. But apart from that, that's the end of this unboxing. I'm planning on doing an actual review once I have more time with this monitor, and I'm also planning on doing more videos with it, like maybe setting up my desk, because you know it looks really bad right now. I still need to get a keyboard and mouse, which is on its way. So look forward to more of those videos, and also have a beautiful, wonderful rest of the day, guys. Bye!